What's so great about a Ductless Mini Split heat pump in Salt Lake City? Well, for starters, just one unit does it all. Enjoy year-round comfort with the Mitsubishi Mini Split, the modern way to heat and cool your home. Get 2-in-1 functionality because a Ductless Mini Split can both heat and cool your home. The number one reason people choose a Mini Split heat pump in Salt Lake City is to save money. Mitsubishi offers super high efficiencies. Many homeowners report savings of up to 50% on their utility bills. You may even qualify for rebates and incentives. Did you know that Ductless Mini Split owners have the highest level of satisfaction of any HVAC product? Mitsubishi, the leading brand of mini splits, helps homeowners save money, save energy, and increase their home comfort. Ready to find out if a mini split heat pump is right for you? The first and most important step is to hire the right ductless contractor. The most important day of your mini split installation is the day it gets installed. There's just one ductless HVAC contractor to top your list, and that's Neerings Plumbing, Heating, and Air, serving the Salt Lake City, Utah area. They are a Mitsubishi Diamond contractor and always roll out the red carpet for you. Call 801-441-3633 today.